Hi, I welcome for all them to for video session. Today we are going to discuss about the case study. So, as a mechatronics engineering students, you have to know how the mechatronics engineering has been evolving in different industry sectors. So, this video is a case study about the mechatronics engineering in different aspect of fields. So, every fields there is an implementation of mechatronics engineering, right? So, mechatronics have to be developed, and yes, sometimes it has been a boon, or sometimes it has been a pros, or sometimes it becomes difficult for engineers to understand how it can be able to do cope up within a current situation or current market, right? So I like to hear some voices from you about the mechatronics engineering in different fields and how it has the case it can be taken over in mechatronics engineering. Did anyone start to show your views, right? Let's share your thoughts about mechatronics engineering in different aspects.
Case is a mechatronics engineering and it is industries. The mechatronics is a main disciplinary branch under applications are useful for the industries. For main system for branches are include that control system, computer engineering, programming, and also the mechanical also it implement. Example for automotive washing machine system. Washing machine system it control microcontroller, sensor, motor, and also the programming for software programming also. It compare all branches of engineers and useful for the modern industries are the techniques. Helps to use the indices.
As you said, then washing machine is one of the impact where the case study can be awarded in mechatronics engineers. Like this, there is a lot of fields, right? So any other can share your valuable inputs?
Yes, sir. Now I am going to talk about the component and working of mechatronics. In components, there are major components in mechatronics. As we know, sensors, actuators, controllers, and mechanical systems and software programming at all. In sensors, the sensor is used to detect the person or detect the particular object. So in mechatronics system, the sensor plays a major role, and actuators follow the rules and regulations. So controllers is the brain of the system, and software programming. In software programming, there are multi other programming languages that are used in the sensors to get the information from that. So for example, we take a sensor door. If that sensor senses a person who is standing in front of the door, and it shares the information to the motors, so that the motor gains the information and motor work suddenly to open the door. So these are the ways the sensors and actuators work. In these sensors and actuators work in the mechatronics session, and it plays a major role, and also the actuating systems.
So it is also one of the valuable input, right? Actuator sensors are the most important in mechatronics engineering. So there is a lot of case study revolving around actuators and actuator mechanisms as well as sensor detections. So it is one of the case study. Any other case studies? Let us discuss.
I want to define about the industrials and factories, how the mechatronics is evolved in industries and factories. In industries, they use as automobile manufacturing industries like Tesla or any other Tata and Jaguar, etc. There are many companies, sir. In that, before the coming of mechatronics, there are many pressures and the adaptations of workers and precisions of the workers and the time taken by the workers are more large, and the productivity of the manufacturing company is very less, and the time management and many of the things that are very less in manufacturing before the evaluation of mechatronics. After the coming of mechatronics in various fields, it gives solutions about the high precision controllers and robotic arms and some other various things that were evolved in the branches of industries and factories by the mechatronics. For example, we can take that mechatronics has evolved advanced in nowadays, coming nowadays. It will definitely will increase the productivity and workers' efficiency, and the no need of the human works. It will give the AI, and it will work it with the robotic arms. Though in my case study, it will advance the productions of the industries by using the mechatronic solutions.
So it is one of the good concept, right? In industries, mechatronics becomes a major role. So there is, in the case studies of mechatronics in industries also became a lot of air, right? So Rohit, can you tell about it?
Sir, I am going to talk about the application of mechatronics engineering, sir. Sir, mechatronics engineering is an important role in day-to-day life, sir. It is created a revolutionary in our field and future also. First, we tell about industrial, sir. They use many types of machines. For example, industries, agricultural, in healthcare and home electronics. they are using various type of mechanism and industries, sir, machines. And industries, mechatronics creates a very important role. For example, making a CNC programming machine, robotic arm, and tracking a system for unloading and taking products, sir. In healthcare and hospital field, MRI scan, CT scan, radiology scan, and they are using various types of sensors and multiple objects to detect the human beings organs, sir. In agricultural field, they are using smart irrigation system, motor automatically getting water from tanks according to the dryness of the soil and moisture of the plants they are having. Next we come to home electronics, smart voice over for switch on awning of AC, automatic vacuum cleaner. These are the types of applications we can use in these fields, sir. Mechatronics is an important role where we can get support.
So this is a different kind of sectors where the mechatronics can be plays a vital role. So final thoughts on what about your final thoughts?
I will tell about the advantages of mechatronics. It has high precision and accuracy. It has better quality in a mechanical side and a high production and better safety for the tools and the products.
So as you said, the tools is most important right now. Everywhere the tools become the most dangerous. But if the tool sparkles or tool get damaged, then that stones will be thrown into any human face or something. It will affects the damage of the particular product. So safety becomes most important where the mechatronics can be applicable. So this is some insights about mechatronics right now. So hope everybody's came an insight about the mechatronics engineering, how the case study has been evolving in mechatronics as well as. Thank you all for joining this video. We will catch up next. Thank you all.